HCTI stock analysis is super interesting. Is it a buy? In this 1-minute video, I'm showing you my exact play and my exact technical analysis, all that very clever way. I've done well over tens of thousands of videos on my YouTube channel, documented them all, and the only guy with 40,000 videos that have been documented, spread out to 5 years, right? Every single day I'm talking. You can check it out, all out. But ultimately speaking, with HCTI, yeah, it was a crazy one. When the price is going up as such, I'm just looking to double down. Not just because, you know, let's get in, you know, buy. No, it's not monkey see, monkey do, but more so like I like the power behind it. And if there's, oh yeah, like 15-minute, not volatile enough. So I think that I will even kind of wait out. The last thing that I'm going to do, man, is buy something that's not even volatile enough. But if there's a small little correction and it's hopefully God given, it just gets volatile, then yeah, nothing's stopping me from buying more. But if you want to learn how I'm consistently generating 5 to 10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.